Hey friends, welcome to my channel Prerak's Tech World. Hope you are doing absolutely fine, and today I am going to provide you some details of latest technology updates. The first one is from Apple's latest state-of-the-art floating store in Singapore. The second one is Samsung, the latest about Samsung new 4K projector. And the third one is from Bose wireless earbuds and the sunglass with audio facility. Let's start with Apple. Apple has recently opened floating store in Singapore Marina Bay area. So this is a 360-degree view store and made up of 114 glass. The majority of the store has been built through glass, and that is also a curved glass. So it will enable you to view 360-degree view of the Singapore Marina Bay beautiful scene, and it is around 45 meter of area and 7.6 meter of wide Apple patented screen is available in the store, and it is floated with all the latest state-of-the-art Apple devices inside. That it also has the underground conference room where you can meet Apple expert and discuss about various technology. You can get trained, expert can provide you the training. The store will have 148 expert available in the store, and they can speak around 23 languages. It has a huge dome and it increases the beautification of the store. In the morning or the day sunlight, it will provide 360-degree view with the beautiful water, and in the night, the interior light creates its own beauty. The second update is from Samsung projector. So in the recent IFA 2020, Samsung has introduced a new 4K HDR10 capable projector which can beam up to 130 inch, which is 3.3 meter or up to 10 feet in your wall, and it is a HDR10 plus, so it has a vivid color range support and the brightness is very good. So when you have a good bright picture, it will project a beautiful bright picture, and even the darker image with HDR10 it will give you a very good quality darker image also. That's the benefit of HDR10 plus. Also, this projector supports Samsung Smart TV feature, so you can beam streaming application like Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, or whatever streaming platform it supports. Acoustic beam technology audio will project immersive surround, so actually you don't need to attach any external speaker because it has inbuilt subwoofer and inbuilt acoustic sound beaming technology. It's a laser beam projector which has a triple laser beam technology, and a first projector which can produce 4K HDR10 plus capabilities. It is yet to introduce in the market, but first of all it will be available in European market, Netherlands and European countries as per the first report from Samsung. The third update is from Bose. Bose introduced two type of true wireless earbuds. It's called Quiet Comfort earbuds. Is active noise cancellation enabled, so you don't get the surround sound, you don't get the environmental noise. This earbud supports its own app, and there are few audio mode through which you can regulate the audio also. Bose has also introduced a sunglass with the audio capability, so you can listen your favorite song in your sunglass, and you can even take a call, you can receive a call, and you can also make a call all, there is a touch button in the sunglass. It's a very stylish. You can change the color of the glass, and you can have a look in the image, the design of the sunglass. So these are all the latest technology I wanted to update you. Hope you like this video and the information. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it to your friend. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Till then, you guys take care and bye bye.